exclusivity now. Just between the two of us. You understand? I get exclusivity right. Yeah. Nobody go know. Don't talk to me like that. What are you wanting? You don't be the expression with the chat. Pedro, come on for here. Baba, 7.
Hey, how's Babu? How you doing? Why they squeeze that?
Well, 1 minute will squeeze now.
What's happening?
You see the level now. Me, they follow my get it. Talk, and I want to do. But as a comedian, I don't think somebody don't give exclusivity. You understand? Exclusivity. You understand? Tell me,
wait. Make the smile understand you talk. What did the person give you?
Exclusivity now. Tell me,
you mean exclusivity?
Can't you mean exclusivity?
Exclusivity.
Nah, you understand? Let me clear her. I tell her exactly how to talk.
Let me just say it. She need to understand what you talk. Now exclusivity, tell her.
Exclusivity now. Let me clear her.
Exclusivity.
Now what me tell her now? Exclusivity.
How you pronounce her for her?
Exclusivity now.
Exclusivity.
Just
so you call her for her?
Yes, now I mean the clear her.
You call her again.
Tell her say exclusivity.
No, see, exclusivity.
Exclusivity now.
Exclusivity.
Exclusivity now. Baba, which level again? And let me clear her.
And in the first session, she don't want to.
Yes, now she don't want to listen to me.
Now I say you want to pronounce this. You go form her hand now. To not do. How about exclusivity you cannot pronounce? You call yourself.
I beg get out. You have to get done. We go on another day be now. Exclusivity now me get English. Na big kid is still there. They wait for me. I beg get out.